can do that noise.
Hi everybody! We're outside recording our neighbors doing fireworks. It is awesome. You're weird. Bring it up. Sorry, it doesn't work that well. It doesn't work that well with level. Okay. It's the. No, I'm not gonna say that name. Here's a great view. Yeah. Just more after they like something. No, not that way.
You have like took a drink every time I ride one.
You should have that. What? Awesome! Where they setting off? Oh my gosh! I gotta record this. Don't kill us!
Take me to my yard.
He tried to. Look at that big old thing.
We all are gonna die.
We're all gonna die! We're all gonna die! We're all gonna die! Holy crap! That is a lot.
Yeah, I know, that hurt.
Yeah, that hurt! One landed on my butt.
Like 10 landed on my leg.
That hurt! How many was that? 1,000. That was 1,000. That was 1,000. Oh my gosh, that hurt so badly. We are sitting...
Please tell me we're not putting this online.
Yes, yeah, we are.
Oh my God.
We are sitting right here. That's their family. We are sitting right here. Dang, that was a lot. This is right where we're sitting. It hurt. Look at all that. You gotta put it down more. Here, I'll tell you. Can you see it? Yeah. That is 1,000. Dang. That hurt. One
Why are you laughing?
That's it. They're over. We're done with all our fireworks.
Yeah.
And it's the 5th of July. Can you see the other ones going off? They're done. Oh, I think they're done for now, but I think they're going to start up more. They clean all this junk up. Yeah. He said they have more. Our yard is the... Can't barely see it, but... Our yard... I don't know to show you. They don't see our address. They don't see our house. Can you? Can you see our house? No, I can't see it. Okay. Our yard is the graveyard for all...
Wait, who calls it what?
Graveyard for fireworks. They're firework graveyards. That freaking hurt, and that was freaking awesome. Bye, everybody. I want to see your fireworks. Leave a video response. How do you stop it?